What's up YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great Friday. Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish today, going into the weekend and going into the monthly close. So today I'm going to show you my next targets, and I'm going to show you my outlook for Bitcoin in the coming days and weeks. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so here we go. Bitcoin weekly. No, sorry, monthly. So as you can see here, we have this level right here. This is the level I'm watching on the monthly. I'll put on the drawing tools for you guys here. So basically, this level right here, this open, this close here, and this open here forms a very nice level between this wick here and these levels here. So confluent with the 0.302 Fibonacci level of this October candle here, which was the China pump. So if we actually do close the monthly above this area, would be very nice in my opinion, and it would really, you know, strengthen the bullish bias. So right now I'm actually very bullish on Bitcoin. We are getting rejected here as expected, and like I did actually anticipate way back like 2 or 3 months ago, when I did for the first time paint this RLC right here using the low of this the bottom here, this low to this high. So using the, you know, painting the fibs of this bull market here gave me the Fibonacci RLC zone right here, right? So as anticipated, we did bounce off the RLC, and my targets of the area between 9.5 and 9.6 did get hit yesterday. So a very nice move of about 50% of Bitcoin. So if you did take that trade, congratulations to you guys. I did share this analysis in the Birdnest community in great detail in the Birdnest club chat. So if you're a member of the Birdnest community, you have probably seen my Bitcoin shorts for this move. I didn't put on the setup obviously, but I did anticipate this bounce down here for a target up here, and we did get exactly that. And going into the weekly, we see that closing the weekly candle above this area right here would confirm a weekly uptrend. And you guys know what a weekly uptrend for Bitcoin means, right? A weekly trend reversal for Bitcoin means, you know, strong trending moves. When Bitcoin is trending on a weekly, it tends to trend for a long time and give very nice moves, right? So we are soon, very soon, it looks like we are going to close a weekly above. Well, I don't know obviously if we are going to close it, but looking at the moving averages, let's put them on and let's look at the monthly here. So confluent with the RLC here, we had the monthly 21 EMA, and we did bounce down in the midpoint of the RLC and closed above the 21 EMA on the monthly, and we did bounce off it very nicely. So on the monthly, the moving average are looking very nice, especially the 21 EMA. Being above the 21 EMA on the monthly is obviously a good sign, and bouncing off it, not even closing a monthly below it, is very nice considering all the other bullish factors I'm going to show you right now. So looking at the weekly, I did paint the RLC of this October candle right here. So this is the China pump, and this whole pump actually, you know, this is the high of the October and this is the low of the October candle. So I did actually, you know, expect that if we do reclaim the RLC of the October candle, we would have a nice move upwards like we did. And if we zoom into the daily, we had the RLC being confluent with the 21 EMA on the daily, and also this order block, this weekly order block right here, this one. You had the EQ of this order block being right in the middle of the RLC, and it's also a very important area because it was the 8.2k area. And if you guys are actively trading Bitcoin, you should remember the 8.2k area and why it was a very important support. So like we did anticipate this move too. If you guys have been following my updates, you would have been in a very nice position when we touch the midpoint of the RLC for a move up to this area right here, and this is the high time frame resistance that needs to break for continuation higher, right? So I do anticipate that we are probably not going to close this weekly above this area. I'm probably not going to close the monthly above this area, because Bitcoin really, you know, likes to, you know, fuck with people's mind, right? And especially on the weekends, like you will probably see a fake out here, and all of the, you know, we're going to see so much FOMO buying here, and people are going to get wrecked, because if we actually do get a fake out up here, we're going to see a lot of buyers and we're going to see a lot of sellers. So yeah, it's going to be a real stop hunt party up here, I think. So FOMO buyers are going to get wrecked up here, I think. So what we need to see is a weekly close above, or at least like a daily open and close above. This area, I think, is going to be very prone to fake outs. So if you're going to trade this area, be careful. Remember that this is going to be a high time frame resistance until proven otherwise. So right now, this is high time frame resistance, and I mean, Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish, especially here with the, you know, the trend reversal here on the daily. We got a, you know, a shift in market structure here on the daily, and we closed above the 200 simple right here. And if you guys remember, a couple of videos back, I did you know, a calculation. I think it was a week or 2 weeks back. I did a calculation that said that if we were, you know, if Bitcoin were going to continue on this trajectory upwards, we would have the 21 EMA crossing the 200 simple to the upside in about 2 weeks. So I think we have about 1 week left before the 21 EMA could cross the 200 simple to the upside. And when that happens, and if we actually, you know, get above this area at the same time where we, you know, break the 200 simple to the upside, that would be extremely bullish, and that would really be a very nice long signal. Right now though, it kind of looks like Bitcoin wants to test this area. So Bitcoin wants to, you know, I'm seeing this as a magnet, right? So we got the 200 simple right here, we broke it to the upside, and we, you know, we haven't tested it. We tested it on the 4 hour, we tested this level on the 4 hour, but it's not really a clean retest. We had a lot of wicks in between the tests. So I would like to see a clean rounded retest. So looking at the daily, it looks like we are actually going to, if we do trade down here in the next couple of days, we will see a nice rounded retest. And, you know, with having 200 simple moving average right here, and soon confluent with the 21 EMA, if we get price down here, that would be an obvious buy, right? When you see this kind of setups, you just have to at least try them out, right? Because the risk to reward ratio down here is actually pretty good, I would say. So if I see a setup forming here, if price starts trading down here, and depending on where the 21 EMA is, I'm probably gonna post a setup in the Nest Club chat, or you know, in our trade setup channels. So what I'm looking at is, you know, an entry here with a stop loss below the 21 EMA, like below this wick and below this area here, right? And below the 21 EMA. And first take profits is going to be, you know, up here, and second up here, and I'm probably going to, you know, keep some of the position if we actually do break above here. And if we do break above here and retest, I'm going to add what I sold here to the set, you know, to the position up here. So that's basically my outlook on Bitcoin right now. To sum it all up, this is what I'm seeing. Bitcoin is most probably going to come down and test this area. If we don't come down and test this area, I'm looking for a break at this area. And if we do get a daily open and close above this area right here, I'm gonna long the retest. So I'm looking for a move like this, where I long the retest for higher prices. And my targets for that move, let me show you guys something interesting here. My target for this move would be the short RLC of our latest bear market. So I'm going to show you the short RLC here. Here we go. Clean BTC, that's the one. All right, so here's the weekly. Here we have the long RLC. So the long RLC, we bounced off it. I'm looking for a move up to the short RLC, and this is where the short RLC is. All right, so the short RLC comes in at around 10.7. So zooming into the weekly or the daily, let's see if we can find an interesting level here. So obviously I would say somewhere in this region we are going to get, you know, if we break above this area right here, the high time frame resistance that we are trading inside right now, if we do break above this area and enter the short RLC, I do expect a move up to this area. So yeah, that's my outlook for Bitcoin going forward. I will try to do you know, more videos like this one, and if you do enjoy this one, you know, remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a like or a comment on the video. So yeah, thanks for today and take care, guys. See you guys next time.